Good morning everybody, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In my previous class, I have started tag question. In my class, I will continue that tag question. before going to start my class, just tell me, is everything okay or not? Okay, good morning, Jayanti Doctor. Thank you, and good morning to you also. Namaskar, Ankur Das. Thank you, Tariqul Islam sir. Thank you. So I can start my class now. Okay, in my previous class I have told you some rules about what is tag question, the structure of tag question, and some rules of tag questions. Now after that class you can communicate this class with that class, and I will request you to watch that class again. And now I will start the rules. Okay. Used to. What is this used to? When your sentence expresses or use this used to, in my tag question the verb will be didn't. Just as for example, we used to play football. We used to play football. Used to. Here the auxiliary verb is used to. When you will get used to as your auxiliary verb, in the case of tag question, your verb will be didn't. Okay? অতীতের অভ্যাস বোঝাতে used to, we use used to. So when you will get used to, didn't. And what is our subject? We. So our subject of the tag question will be we. And at the end, note of interrogation. Okay. So we used to play football. The tag question is didn't we. Another example, the man used to work in the shop. Used to. When you will get used to, so the verb of the tag question will be didn't. Okay, didn't. And the pronoun of the subject, what is the pronoun? The man, he. So didn't he. Okay. So our first rule, today's first rule, used to, you will get used to, you will write didn't for tag question, and the pronoun form of the verb of the subject, here he, here you get we pronoun, so we. Next, need. Need, it's a verb, but what is the difficulty? That is, need is a verb. Sometimes this need is used as modal auxiliary, and sometimes this need is used as the main verb. And through example we can clear it. The boy need not go to market. Okay, the boy need not go to market. Need. So how we can identify this need as the is it a main verb or is it an auxiliary verb? How we can know that? When you will get another verb, go is another verb. That time the need is the auxiliary verb. যখন আরেকটা verb পাবে তখন needটা auxiliary verb হবে. Okay? So this need is our auxiliary verb, and it's modal auxiliary. Need is used sometimes as modal auxiliary. So here in this sentence, need is our auxiliary verb. So for tag question, what will be our verb? Need. যেহেতু নিডটা এখানে auxiliary verb. How we can identify কিভাবে বুঝলাম? After need you will get another verb. যখন আরেকটা verb পাবে, নিডের পরে আরেকটা verb পাবে তখন নিডটা হয়ে যাবে modal auxiliary. Okay? So in the case of tag question, I will write need. And there is not negative word. So I will not use any negative word here. Need. And the pronoun form of the subject, the boy, he pronoun. So need he. Okay? So the boy need not go to market. The tag question is need he. কিভাবে হলো বুঝেছো? নিডটা অক্সিলারি, কি করে বুঝলাম? আরেকটা ভার্ব আছে, ফলে এটা অক্সিলারি ভার্ব। অক্সিলারি ভার্ব যেহেতু সেহেতু আমি এখানে আবার নিড নিলাম এবং সাবজেক্টের প্রোনাউন ফর্ম হি। Another example, the man need not follow the rule. The man need not follow the rule. Okay, need not follow the rule. Need and follow, another verb. So this need is auxiliary verb. Okay, tag question will be need the man he, need he. Okay, এখানে need auxiliary verb কারণ follow is another verb. So need is our auxiliary verb, modal auxiliary. So for the tag question we will use need, and the pronoun of the subject, the man, is the subject of the sentence. So the pronoun is he. Here he will be the subject of the tag question. Okay, now we will see how need is used as the main verb. I need a pen. I need a pen. Here need is the main verb. The girl does not need the girl does not need help. Help is the noun here. Okay, I need a pen. Need is the main verb. There is no verb here. Okay, so need is our main verb. Now what kind of what form? Present form, past form or past participle? Present form. So present indefinite tense. For present indefinite tense, in my previous class I have already mentioned that for present indefinite tense we use do, don't or doesn't. For I we will use don't. So don't, and subject I, don't I. This is our tag question. So I need a pen, don't I. Next, the girl does not need help. Does not need. Need is our main verb. Help is not verb. Here help is used as the noun. So need main verb, and the verb is in present indefinite tense. So we will use does does, and negative word not, so we will not use any negative word here. And the pronoun form of the subject she, the girl, গালের পরিবর্তে আমরা কি লিখব? she. Does she? Okay, so the girl does not need help, does she? This is our tag question. Okay, is it clear to you? Just tell me. Okay, you will write in your comment box if there any problem, if you want to know something. Okay, next, if, now imperative sentence. If your imperative sentence expresses order, command or request, your tag question will be will. Just follow the examples. Please help me. Okay. Close the door. Please help me. Both these two sentences are imperative sentence. Okay. So when your imperative sentence expresses command or order or request, your tag question will be will. Please help me. So it's a request. Your tag question will be will you. Clear? Will you? When it will be a request. Imperative sentence expresses request. Now second one, close the door. Order, maybe order. So that question will be will you. Okay? Clear? Okay. But if your imperative sentence expresses invitation or offer, your tag question will be won't you. Just have a look. Have a cup of tea. Have a cup of tea. Offer. Then your tag question will be won't you. Okay, won't you. Have a cup of tea, won't you. Next, come in. Come in. Invitation, come in. ভেতরে আসো. Invite করছে. ফলে tag question will be won't you. Okay. The rules are very easy. Just at a time, it is difficult to memorize all the rules. So you will practice these rules again and again, and it will be clear. It will be set in your mind. Then you can easily complete or correct. You will be easily correct your tag questions. Next, I will write some phrases. Just have a look. All of, none of, some of, many of, most of, everybody of. After these words, if you get all of us, okay, all of us, if you get all of us, none of us, some of us, many of us, most of us, neither of us, but either of us, everybody of us. So if you get us as your subject, all of us, as for example, all of us, it's your subject, then what will be the subject of your tag question? যখনই us পাচ্ছ, your subject of the tag question will be we. I will write a word, all of us can do the sum. All of us can do the sum, or some of us can do the sum. Many of us can do the sum. যদি এমন হয়, নাম দিলে সেন্টেন্সটা নেগেটিভ হবে এটা। Then what will be our tag question? Can is our verb, so can't. And for us, all of us, we will write we. Okay, can't we? তাহলে all of us can do the sum. The tag question is can't we? Verb can, no negative word, so not, can't, and all of us. যখন us হয়েছে we হয়েছে। যদি এটা হতো us না হয়ে এখানে all of you can do the sum, so can't you? Okay, or some of you can do the sum, many of you can do the sum. এইগুলো সহ তোমার যদি ইউ থাকে জাস্ট দেখতে হবে যে ইউ আছে, ফলে আমার ট্যাগ কোশ্চেনে সাবজেক্ট হবে ইউ। যদি এটা সাম অফ ইউ একই বিষয় এখন, বাট অল অফ দেম, যদি দেম থাকে, দেম ফর দেম, অল অফ দেম ক্যান ডু দ্য সাম, তখন দেম থাকলে কি হবে? all of them can do the sum, some of them can do the sum, many of them can do the sum, most of them can do the sum. Then can't, for them you will use they. Okay, so for us, subject of the tag question will be we. For you, tag question, the subject of the tag question will be you, and them, the subject of tag question will be they. Okay, now if you get any noun, all of the girls, okay, all of the girls are brilliant. All of the girls, or some of the girls, many of the girls are brilliant. সবগুলোই যদি ইউজ করি এই if it is our subject of the sentence, তখন কি করব? girls, এখানে যে নাউনই থাকুক না কেন, any noun, for any noun, plural noun, our the subject of the tag question will be they. Are, so are, aren't they? All of the girls are brilliant, aren't they? Some of the girls are brilliant, aren't they? Okay, many of the girls are brilliant, aren't they? Now none of, we will use none of. None of you went there. None of you, that means none of you went past indefinite, so did. আমরা জানি past indefinite টেন্সের জন্য আমরা did, আমার প্রথম ক্লাসে এটা দেখবে, ওটা আছে কেন did হচ্ছে past indefinite, there is no verb, and for past indefinite tense we will use did as the verb of the tag question. Did, not কি দিব? দেখো none, that means negative word, so the sentence is negative. Our tag question will be affirmative. Okay, so এই did none থাকার কারণে আমি কিন্তু এখানে আর notটা we will not add not, so did and none of you, এইটা দেখে আমি কিন্তু verb সাবজেক্টটা লিখব, the subject will be you. একটু আগে আমরা দেখলাম যে ইউ থাকলে যদি none of you, some of you, many of you, সাবজেক্টটা হয় ট্যাগ কোশ্চেনের ইউ। ওকে, সো none of you went there, did you? Clear? I hope it is clear to you now. দেখি, is there any problem? তোমাদের কোনো প্রবলেম থাকলে আমাকে জানাও, একটু শেয়ার করে দেই। ওকে, now something, nothing, everything, anything, so for these words, if you get these words as your subject of the sentence, in the tag question, the subject of the tag question will be it. Okay, something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. Okay, now nothing gives her pleasure. Everything is good. Anything is not possible. Okay. Okay, now for something, nothing, everything, anything, we will use it. Okay, now isn't it? Nothing gives her pleasure. You tell me, nothing gives her pleasure. Okay, dear students, you tell me what will be the tag question. Just write and send me. Write and send me. What will be the tag question? Borno, you have written, ma'am, challenge diben na? No, today I will not play any challenge game, but in my next class, of course, I will do that. Okay. Just now write the tag question. Nothing gives me pleasure. What will be the tag question? You write me. You write on the comment box and send me, so that I can know you. Is it clear to you or not? Does it? Who has written does it? Okay, Borno has written does it. Does it? Anyone else? MD Money, does it? Okay. Jayanti Dotto has written does it. Richie has written does it. Anyone else? Anyone? Okay, thank you. So now nothing gives her pleasure. Gives. That means present indefinite tense. So does. Okay. Does and nothing. Sentence is negative. So we will not use any negative word. And for nothing, the subject will be it. Okay. Thank you. Now everything is good. What will be the tag question? What will be the tag question? Just write and send me. Isn't it? Richie has written isn't it? Okay, then isn't it? Everything is good. So verb is. No negative word, isn't. Okay. Thank you everybody. And everything, for everything, it will be it. So isn't it is our tag question. Anything is not possible. Okay, what will be the tag question? Is not possible. Isn't it? Fine, isn't it? For the third example, isn't it? Now everybody has written is it for the last sentence. Is it? Rishi has written is it. Borno has written is it. Fine. Anything is not possible. Is our verb and no negative word we will use here because the sentence is negative, and for anything we will use it. Thank you. So I think this rule is clear to you now. So we will go for next. Now this or that. If you get this or that as your subject, in that case, what will be your subject of the tag question? For this, that. The subject of the tag question will be it. Okay. That or this is a book. This or that, anyone. That is a book or this is a book. Your tag question will be is, isn't, and for this or that, it. That means this অথবা that যদি সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে পাও যে কোনো একটা থাকবে, this or that, এর পরিবর্তে তুমি লিখবে কি it. ওকে, বাট ফর দিস প্লুরাল দিস or those, for these or those, what will be the subject of the tag question? Can anyone guess? Yes, they. For this, that, it. But for these or those, plural. It's plural word. So your tag question, the subject of the tag question will be they. So these or those are my books. The plural, the word is plural. So verb is plural, are. So those are my books or these are my books. Any one will be used. যে কোনো একটা থাকবে. In that cases, are, aren't. Okay. And for these or those, the subject will be they. Clear? I think it's very easy and it's clear to you. Okay. Next. I will write some noun. The Padma, the moon it's a river, moon, chart. Okay, then the spring season. These words, river, then train, or sheep, or these words are considered as the feminine gender. Okay, এই ওয়ার্ডসগুলো ফেমিনিন জেন্ডার হিসেবে মনে করা হয় বা কাউন্ট করা হয় অথবা ধরা হয়। Not only Padma, that means river, any river. The moon, চাঁদ, ঋতু, এটা spring. Then any sheep. So these words are considered, or these words are considered as the feminine gender. Okay, so for these words, instead of these words, your tag question, the subject of the tag question will be she. এগুলোর পরিবর্তে আমি কি লিখবো? she. Okay, because spring, moon, river এগুলোকে soft country, দেশ, Bangladesh or India or Pakistan or Saudi Arab. When you will get a name of a country, the pronoun form will be she. When you will get a season, especially spring, your pronoun form of the subject will be she. Moon, instead of moon you will write she. Any river, the name of a river, you will write she. If you get the name of a ship, জাহাজ, কোনো জাহাজের নাম যদি পাও, বাংলার দূত, the first ship of Bangladesh. So the oasis of the seas, the name of a ship, the largest ship of the world now. So if you get any name of a ship, any river, moon, spring, or any name of a country, your tag question, the subject of the tag question will be she. Clear? Okay, the moon looks nice. The moon looks nice. So for looks, does, doesn't, and for the moon, this is our subject, and what will be the pronoun form? She. So doesn't she. Okay, you can also use it for these words. এগুলোর জন্য তুমি ইটও ব্যবহার করতে পারো, she or it. Okay, she ব্যবহার করতে পারো অথবা it, but at a time you will not use both of she oblique it. এটা ব্যবহার করবে না, কিন্তু she oblique it দিয়ে দুটো দিবে না. You will use only one, she or it. Okay, now is it clear? River, moon, spring, country, sheep, এগুলোর জন্য তুমি pronoun হিসেবে she ব্যবহার করবে, as these words are considered feminine gender. Now the sun, rough and tough nature, the sun, fire, death, sun, fire, death, winter, summer. So for these words are considered as the masculine gender. Okay, so for these words you will use he. Okay, you can also use it. As for example, the sun is very big. The sun is very big. So that question is, isn't. For instead of the sun, we will use he. So for rough and tough nature objects, we will use he. You will use also it. Okay, he অথবা it যে কোনো একটা ব্যবহার করতে পারো, but not both of them. দুটোই ব্যবহার করা যাবে না। আমি দেখানোর জন্য তোমাদেরকে বললাম you can use he or it. Fire, death, winter, summer. So these words are used as the masculine gender, and instead of these words we will use he. Okay, next, is it clear to you? Just tell me. Okay, what's the time? Okay, now I will complete my class today, because at 12 p.m. another class will start. So that's all for today, dear students. If you face any problem, please write on the comment box and send me. I'll try to clear it to you. Okay, so all of you stay at home, stay fine, and thank you everybody.